Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're talking doorknobs, and in the event that your doorknob is sticking or staying in the open position after you open the door, we're gonna show you how to fix that. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, we are at the door handle now, and this is an interior door handle, and every time we turn it to open the door, the knob itself stays in the open position. And it's supposed to spring load back to this position shown here. However, again, when we open the door, it stays open. So let's shift over to the other door, and this is what it is supposed to do. When we open the door, the latch is supposed to open and spring load back as shown here. So we need to open this doorknob up and lubricate it. A couple things you are going to need: the correct size Allen wrench, a screwdriver, and the most important part, this product has been around since 1894, so you know it's a well-respected product and company. 3-in-1 Lock Dry Lube. This product penetrates and lubricates, won't attract dirt, which is great, and anti-corrosion. So let's get right into it. On the very bottom portion, if your knob looks like ours, we have an Allen nut, and we need to remove that to be able to pull this plate off. And do your best not to scuff or harm the paint on your door as you remove this screw. And there it is. I'll set that in a safe location. Next, carefully grab your plate and shift it away from the wall, and you can see now it is loose. From here, grab the handle, and you may need to tug on it pretty firmly. However, our goal is just to remove it from the internal portion like that. Carefully grab your plate and get a good view of how your plate goes on. You can see 3 cutouts, one on the left, one on the right, and one on top. So when we reinstall this plate, we want to install it the same way. From here, 2 Phillips screws. Go ahead and remove those. After removing both those Phillips screws, on the back side, you want to hold the knob with one hand, and on the opposite side, pull this plate out and off as shown here. Now on the back side, the doorknob itself is completely loose and not connected to anything. However, we're going to keep it inside the door for now. Inside here and right underneath is a whole square cutout, and that is where we want to spray and lubricate the inner workings. Next, I've got a paper towel in place, and this is optional. You don't have to do this. However, I put this paper towel in place so as I spray, anything that drips off the internal parts will fall on the paper towel. From here, carefully begin lubricating the internal parts. And you can hear it slowly coming out. I'm not pushing it hard because I don't want it spraying all over the place. From here, set the spray down and come to the back side and begin turning the knob and latch. And just work that lubrication into the internal parts. And do this for about 30 seconds. After spraying and turning that knob roughly 30 seconds, I'll carefully remove the paper towel and take a look at that. You can see that the paper towel absorbed a lot of the spray that ended up down below the internal mechanism. Next, reinsert and secure the plate. You've got the screw holes at top and bottom, and then to the right, that lines up with the internal hole here, and that is for your locking pin that we do not have installed currently. So carefully realign this and slide that in place and secure it. After securing those screws, go ahead and grab your plate. Again, the cutouts are on the left, right, and top. Insert that properly as shown here. Press it into place. Grab your knob with the threaded insert on the bottom, align that properly, shift it in place, and re-secure that Allen nut. Again, being very careful that you do not scuff or scrape the door. After securing that nut, check both sides of your door handle. Make sure the handles are secured and the plates are flush with the door. And now it's time to test it. Much better. No longer sticks. Let's try this side. Perfect. And We'll go ahead and put our tools away. Hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.